Hey, what's going on? Today we're going to install the 6.0 tool tray or wind deflector or whatever you want to call it. This one is a Bless Performance item. They come in 10 different powder codes or in raw if you want to get it custom coated. We chose to just do our own powder coat, and big shout out to Matt at Bless Performance for this. So the only thing we're going to need is an 8mm, a 10mm, and a Christmas tree popper. A panel popper, or whatever you want to call it. The kit does not come with new ones, so make sure you keep those. Otherwise, I'm going to try to link the part number for these on the bottom as well, or in the description. But try to just save them. It's never bad to have a couple in your toolbox anyway. Most of you guys probably already do anyway. Well, this is load truck, as you know. And load truck is in everything but a good condition. That's why we bought it.
Oh, come on, hold it, bub.
This is like kind of, let's resurrect the 6.0. And unfortunately, this 6.0 really needs it desperately because there was so much wrong so far with it. But you always know how that goes. The quick $500 project turns into a $10,000 so far project. But hey, could be worse, right?
Yeah, you do it because we love it, you know?
Yeah. Yep. Oh, a couple will break. Couple will break. That's why we kept 5 of them. We're only going to need 3, so we're good. And as you can all see, I mean, this is not in the best condition anymore.
Yeah.
Pretty much flat out everywhere. And it looks crusty, man. So it needs to go. Little tip. And that's why I want to do it like this, since I'm not going to keep this anyway. And I'm underneath here, make sure it stays all the way. So we have our hood latch right here. We're going to mark it that we can just see, hey, it needs to go back to this particular spot. I just always mark them with my paint pen, and then I'm not that worried. And we're done. Now we can just take that off right away. That's still an 8mm. Never very tight, so I'm not going to use any big tools here. Yep, now we have the hood latch off. We can remove this little tray or this wind deflector. And there it goes. The next thing we're going to do is take the bolts out for the radiator. The brackets right here. You can choose if you want to have them over or under. We're just gonna go over because this is all, again, it's all crusty, dirty stuff. It's maybe a good idea when you're at the shop or something like that. You have some air. Blow out your condenser, blow out your radiator. Just try to get everything as clean as possible. Try to wipe everything off a little bit. Just do a nice job. Like, in the end of the day, you spend a lot of money on your truck. Just keep it nice, or try to. If you don't, well, it's your truck. I don't care. Alrighty. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to get this installed. Be a little bit careful here. Oh, it actually lines up really nice. You want to line this up while getting the hood latch in. So, just like this. And as you can see, literally everything falls right into place. So done. Now you're going to put your bolts back in. We thankfully marked the hood latch, so we know exactly where everything needs to go.
Oh, I think you're a little high on your mark there, buddy.
Huh?
I think you're a little
Well,
high.
yeah, I'm still adjusting.
Yeah. We're just
Snugging it up.
Oh.
Snugging up. And if people are wondering why we're sweating so much on video, is because it's about 114 in the shop right now. We have a swamp cooler going. If you want to show the camera a little bit how big this shop is. We don't have AC in here.
You gotta line up there, buddy.
Almost. So you can see we're right about there. Same on the other side. Now we're just gonna snug it up, tighten it up, done. Thankfully, Bless Performance provides new parts for this too. So both Bless Performance supplies are 10mm. So that's why you're gonna need your 10 in a minute. And actually lines up really nice. You can get yourself a washer or something like that. Make it look a little bit more flush, which we're gonna do hopefully next week, but I wanted all gold hardware and it didn't show up in time. So we're doing everything we're doing right now again. Torque spec is golden tight, but that's why I only use a small hand tool, because otherwise, if I use anything else, I will over torque it.
So after you loosely snug these down, then you install your Christmas trees.
Yeah, just nice and shiny and dirty, unfortunately, but
Well, clean that. Look at that.
Christmas tree, and Christmas tree. We're done. So the install on this is actually quite quick. We took a total of maybe 10 minutes to do this. It looks a lot better. It looks a lot nicer. It seems more practical. It doesn't rattle, what I was a little bit afraid of. So there's really no rattling here. I'm happy that I can put a magnet on this now, because in the end it's a 6-liter and we know we're going to work on it again. You can get this at KC Turbos or at blessperformance.com. If you have any questions regarding this part or any other parts for your 6-liter, for your 7.3, for your 6.7, and even for your Cummins, please give us a call, 480-688-7160, or go and check us out at kcturbos.com.